Welcome back. After the first video, I received very interesting comments from the community. As you can see, I didn't choose simple, so I'm going the difficult route. Finally, engine block is back from the workshop. It has been honed and we shaved a 0.1 mm material from where the heads meet the block. After that, we degreased the engine block for the painting. I oiled up some of the surfaces to prevent it from the rusting. Engine is ready to receive the main bearings and the crankshaft. Here you can see it before the cleaning, and here you can see it after the ultrasound cleaning. Main bearings is in, crankshaft is in, and now I will just try to freely spin the crankshaft to see if there is no obstacles. Main bearing caps is on, so next task is to torque them down. Crankshaft is in, so one more time I just freely spin it. Pistons before the cleaning. After the cleaning. We can see that the pistons are in good shape and I will definitely reuse them. And this is my new H-beam rods. I pre-assembled the pistons, rods and rings, and they look very nice and ready to go to the block. Two of them already connected to the crankshaft, and again the spin test. Here you can see from the bottom how the rod is connected to the crankshaft, and again, one more time, spin test. So we are satisfied with the results and now we can move on. Here's my cleaned up oil pump assembly and the bottom half of the engine. So the oil pump is in place, connected to the crankshaft, and also there goes the bottom half of the engine, so one more thing left to do is to torque down the screws. Everything is coming together nicely. You can see the bottom half is on, oil pump is in, block is painted, so everything looks good, we can move forward. I had two defects in my oil pan, so I took the opportunity and fixed them. Here you can see already sealed and torqued down the bottom half of the engine, and also I put in the oil sensor. After that I just wrapped up the engine in the plastic. Next big job is to install the refreshed heads, so this is how they looked before and this is how they look now. For heads I'm using brand new bolts, and also I'm following the pattern from the manual for torquing them down. As you can imagine, this is quite scary task. All the noises what bolts makes. When all bolts are torqued down, I need to apply additional 90-degree turn to finish them up. It definitely wasn't an easy job. It took a lot of effort from my side to torque those bolts down. Here you can see all dirty internals from the heads. In next video all this will be cleaned up, refurbished, and it will go right there.